Dear children, let us study the next simple machine, and that is lever. Lever is the rigid rod that turns around the fixed support, and it is a simple machine having effort, load and fulcrum. There are three types of lever as per the positions of effort, fulcrum and load. See, effort is nothing but the force that is applied to it, and load, it is the thing to which the force is applied, effort is applied, and fulcrum, it is the support, that is teku. In Marathi, effort or force is nothing but bal, load is bhar and fulcrum is teku. Fulcrum is the support. And there are three types of lever based on the positions of these three. In that, first one is first order lever, second order lever and third order lever. Now we will study what are the positions of these three in these three types. First of all, first order lever. In that, the positions of these three are load, fulcrum, effort. Remember, in these three, you have to remember only the middle position. In first one, it is fulcrum, it is at the middle, and load is at the one end and effort is at the other end. Then in second order lever, load is in the middle, fulcrum is at one end and effort is at the other end. And in third order lever, effort is in the middle, fulcrum is at one end and load is at the other end. In this way, F, L, E, these are the middle fulcrum, load and effort. They are in the middle of these three in first, second and third respectively. F, L, E, you can remember easily these three types. The short note can be asked and you can write them easily if you remember only one word, F, L, E. Give them numbers 1, 2, 3. In first, F is in the center. In second, L, that means load is in the center. And in third, effort, that means force or effort is in the middle or center. See, load, fulcrum, effort, fulcrum, load, effort and fulcrum, effort, load. Now you will think, what is this fulcrum, what is this load and what is this effort. Now see, we will study the positions in first only. In that seesaw, you must have gone to the garden so many times and everybody has seen the seesaw. Now in seesaw, there are two ends and in the middle there is the fulcrum, and at the one end there is load and at the other end that load is lifted by the effort or force. In this way, seesaw is the best example of it. Then balance. If you see the balance, see, in that also, here is the fulcrum and at these two ends, there are see, balance is the best example of
two pans
this
on its
order
two
lever.
sides.
In balance, at the center, there is, in beam balance, not in electronic balance, in beam balance, at the center there is fulcrum and at the two ends there are two pans. One pan is having the measuring weights and these are nothing but the loads, and the efforts, those can be called as efforts and the load is at the other side, and that load is nothing but the things that is to be weighed. In this way, balance also represents the first order lever very nicely. Then scissors. See, in this scissor, see, here is the fulcrum. This is the fulcrum. Here we are applying force. That means effort. And the thing that is to be cut, it is nothing but the load. In this way, this is load, this is effort, and in the center there is fulcrum. See, in this way we use this scissor, and it is the example of first order lever. Then crowbar. Crowbar, it is used to move the heavy thing like the big stone, and behind that crowbar there is a stone kept so that that big stone can be removed easily, it can be moved easily. That is the fulcrum that is kept behind that crowbar, and the big stone, that is the load, and the effort it is applied to move that load. In this way, crowbar, it shows the first order lever. Then second order lever. We have studied that in second order lever, what is in the center? Yes, correct. There is L. L means load. F-L-E. First F, that means fulcrum. Now we are studying the second order, and in that the load is in the center. Fulcrum, load and effort, these are the positions or situations of them. Also, second order lever are bottle opener, then wheelbarrow and nutcracker, stapler. With the help of nutcracker, we can make two or more parts of the nuts, and this is stapler. Now see, this stapler, it can be used. See, in this there is the fulcrum here. This is fulcrum. Then here is the load, and here effort. See, now I am applying load and this is effort. In this way, this is nothing but fulcrum. In the center there is load, and then there is effort. Bottle opener is also the best example of second order lever. Then third order lever. In that, see, which will be in the center? Now remaining is effort. That means fulcrum, effort and load. This is the position or sequence of third order lever. Now in that, pair of tongs. See, these are tongs. Pair of tongs is an example of it. See, here is the fulcrum. Then effort and load. If I want to lift this load is there. It is lifted with the help of this pair of tongs. That's why this is fulcrum, this is effort, and here load. Then fishnet. In fishnet also, what happens? See, if this is the fishnet and here is the fish, and this fish, when it is caught in this net, at that time the fulcrum is here, effort is here, and load is here. In this way, this is also an example of third order lever. Hockey stick. Hockey stick, in that also there is fulcrum and also mop, the cleaning mops. These are also examples of third order lever. Effort is in the center and load is applied on the other end. Then hammer. Hammer, it is also having this position. Then weight lifting. If I want to lift the weight at that time, if I am lifting this box, for lifting this box, I have to take it here like this. See, here is the fulcrum. Then effort is applied at the arm, middle position, and then here is the load. See, this is fulcrum, this is effort, and this is load. In this way, these are used. All these explain the types of lever very nicely.